Georgian revolutionary, politician, and former leader of the Soviet Union, Joseph Stalin said, "I trust no one, not even myself," meaning we must never trust or believe in anyone under any circumstances and situations, because trust can very easily lead us into the abyss of betrayal, suffering, sadness, frustration, despair, and other sorts of crises that are emotional, mental, and psychological, all of which can be brought about by the one thing, that is trust, belief, and love. So trust has always had both its significance and problems and dangers in the world, because if trust sometimes brings about happiness, love, peace, and prosperity in life, then in other cases it leads to direct betrayal and cheating, and basically breaking apart of relationships, friendships, bonds, and the destruction of societies. And trust can also lead to doom and annihilation of all of mankind because of the yield that it has. And that means we must never trust anyone, because everyone is external in one way or another. And in that sense, we must also not trust ourselves, because we are also influenced and affected by the others around us and their opinions, thoughts, judgments, and assessments of our character and perception and ability. So we must also not trust ourselves, because we are also led and governed by the principles of ignorance, stupidity, frustration, despair, disorientation, and crisis. So we are not in a healthy, productive state of mind or being that we can absolutely trust ourselves with no problems in hand. When we trust ourselves blindly and absolutely, then we, in most circumstances, land into undesirable troubles and encounter unwanted suffering, which happens basically because of our overconfidence and overemphasis over ourselves. So we must always learn to move forward and learn from anything and everything that we are and that we encounter, because that is the only path to consistent growth, progress, prosperity, and success in one way or another. So instead of trusting ourselves or loving ourselves, we must actually identify our drawbacks, limitations, and insecurities, and we must be able to work upon all of our disadvantages and rectify the problems that we've been suffering from.